Filipino, don't do it. So, ladies and gents, this bird has been flying up against the window for hours, like all day. I don't know what he thinks he sees. I don't know if it's his reflection, but he keeps hitting this window over and over and flying back down. Bambino can't seem to understand what the hell he's doing. So it's time to put up the gate today. And we got a helper.
Just trying to stay on one side, and he just says, "Hi, what's up?
What's up, buddy? How you doing today? Paco? I'll distract you. How's your day? No, you're not pulling that today. You see I don't have nothing. I'm just petting you. That's all I'm doing. Nope.
Put the leveler like this so you can see. I just want to relax. He won't, I know he nibbles.
Nah, he bites me.
Really?
He bit me. He gave me a tough one the other day.
Even when they drop the bump, baby, bump, yeah. Me, you won't ever run, baby, run, yeah. Even if the sun burns out,
You're real funny.
I'll find a way to do somehow now.
One arm is to level, the other is to keep him from biting me.
I'll find a way to do somehow.
Hopefully he'll get bored and he'll...
I don't got no food to give him. I mean, I do got food to give him, but as you can see, guys, we're working on the gate right now. We're putting an automatic gate so that way we can keep him and Millie and the rest of the cool in the gang cows out of the farm. But he does not want to let us work in peace. Dude, relax. Oh, you don't want to do no interviews. Why are you trespassing? Hey. See? I gave him some grass. He starts eating it and then he gets starts bullying for more. It's like, dude, it's right there.
For more, he's probably saying, this is not what you give me. This is not the same stuff.
What the hell is this shit?
I want the super secret stuff.
Yeah, it's just water. Yeah, whatever. I knew that. But hey, you got any more? Bye, Paco. See you later, buddy. Yo, the chopper, get to the chopper.
He's gotta go check on the herd.
Yeah, he does. Go do his job. He forgot he's on the job.
That went through.
So the drill died, so we're gonna be taking out these. So we're gonna be taking out these cylinder blocks that were previously put here by the previous owner. Usually they put these here so that way the farm animals and the cows won't step through that and they won't cross. But I can't imagine why they would only leave that little part. Like the cows are gonna go around, which they have. Hence why we put the gate. Drill died, so we gotta take this out first. We are planting our first tree, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's exciting, isn't it? Fig tree here, apple tree, pear tree, no, peach tree, and then we got the pear over there. We got 2 avocado trees. We're trying to beat the rain, so let's go. Let's see how we do. See, this is all a part of the reason why I bought this home, bought this farm, so I can do stuff like this. Plant my own trees, have my own apples, peaches, pears, avocados, figs, mint, everything. Be completely off the grid. Yay! Next, apples and bananas. All right, guys, so we put the fig tree back there, got the apples, got the peaches, and then the pears, Got the 2 avocado trees right there. We need to find 2 other avocados there because apparently there's 2 different types. There's the A and the B. That's the A, we need the B. But good day's worth of work today. We're gonna finish the gate tomorrow, finish planting those. It's a good day. I'm excited. And I got a lime tree here. I just pulled 2 limes, didn't even realize I had one.
Hate to be the one to tell your ass goodbye.
I bet y'all never been chased by a donkey before. This is the routine that I gotta go through every single morning.
It's no surprise. Only want the prize. Steady spreading rumors while I'm
Wow, guys, look what I come back to.
Tell me what you think you thought it was. You're doing the most, but that's
Taco
not enough.
move.
Not from Milwaukee, but getting bugs out of sight of the mind and you out of touch. Birds want the beast cause I got a buzz. You think you the shit, so I gotta flush. Y'all be so
He
broke,
just
you
likes
gon'
to
need
hang
a
out with
crush.
people.
Like damn, I do bad all by myself. Don't need no help. Get your ass back. Don't need nobody else.
Woo, we are here digging. The donkey's missing in action on the property. Gotta go look for him. When it's time like this, they send a special unit. Ah, he's right here. All right, so far, we just gotta get a straight line straight through so that way we can put the wiring in the pipe underneath ground. What's up, dude? You're back again? Back at it again. With the hooves. With the brown hooves. Stop nibbling at the wire, Paco. Paco, stop scratching yourself with the lock. Hey. All we basically need now is the battery for it. But fence is put, arms are put, wires underneath. Paco is behind. They're ready. Hey! 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 Come here, baby. Hi, beautiful. Hi, baby. Hi, my love. I don't got no snacks today, but I'll get you some. I love you. She's Millie, ladies and gentlemen. She's the coolest cow of the bunch. There's about like 9 of them. But she's the one that really messes with us and like lets us pet her. All right, time to get back to work. Leveling out dirt, almost done. As you can see why this gate is so important, to keep these guys out.
I do bad all by myself. Don't need no help. Get your ass back.